Kaur and Pratik Maisuria from Xavier College, and also
He also scored the highest in the subjects. His BTEC teacher was Mr. Ravindraj and Autry was and gentlemen. He has also equalized the record of 2003 by scoring 800 in accounting.
Members of the Xavier community, the teachers, management, parents, ladies and gentlemen, and our dear children. Beloved night to you all. It's a pleasure to be here today. I want to begin by just thanking Brother George and the current principal for inviting me over. There are times when we do look forward to opportunities to come and engage with our teachers, our heads of schools, management, parents, to see firsthand how our core business is being undertaken. So, thank you for inviting me. Secondly, it's a special day today when we just officially badged the prefects of this esteemed institution. Now that schools are well underway in 2017, we have approached one of the most important events in the school calendar, that is the induction of school principals. The tradition of school prefects has been as old as schools have been in existence. However, with time, the roles and responsibilities of school prefects have changed, and now we see them taking a more critical, important role that could change the entire future of our children. This changing demand for the roles of prefects is a reflection on the changing environment of our education system in contemporary Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, schools are the breeding ground for future leaders. The first forms of leadership training begin in school, and this trait, when nourished, empowered and fostered properly, prepares people for leadership duties beyond school, for future Fiji, as well as in the society. Leaders in different facets of the life. In fact, everyone is a leader in one way or the other. We all take up leadership roles at home, in church, temples, playground, in groups, youth groups, and other formal and informal situations. Some leadership roles are for a defined period. Some leadership roles are required spontaneously to respond to a particular situation. Ladies and gentlemen, in a school, organization is critical, as is the inclusion of students as part of that organization. The position of a prefect is a position of responsibility and one which provides an important connection between pupils and the staff. The prefect team has an important role throughout the entire school community. They are responsible for helping set the tone amongst the student body for maintaining and enhancing the culture of the school. I've been to a number of induction ceremonies and I've found these induction ceremonies differ in small but significant way. And the difference is due to a large extent, the culture of that institution. Being a prefect means providing leadership to the student body in the school, assisting teachers with various duties like supervision of duties, supervision roles, assisting in the organization and running of various functions, actively participating in the development of the school spirit and pride, and upholding the traditions of values of the school. In contemporary Fiji, leadership of student body also requires you to go beyond the standard leadership roles and identify certain withdrawal symptoms that students might have or might display, and quickly raise it with the home teacher or the school head so that a remedial action can be taken and the student is looked after. Often we find that when we lose a child, then the classmates or prefects come up and say that he or she noticed this particular kind of behavior of the child over the last week or so. But that's too late. So we do hope that prefects who interact with the children a lot, with whom the children find more comfort in confiding, will be able to identify those symptoms of distress, despair, frustration,